Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're not gonna do makeup. I'll be showing you how I achieved this rose gold colored hair. As you can see beforehand, I already bleached my hair para tumalab yung color na gusto kong i-apply. And here are the products that I used. As you can see, dalawa yung hair color na ginamit ko. Isa for my roots and the other one for the ends of my hair. For my roots, dun yung parang ash blonde lang. And for the ends of my hair, dun ko i-concentrate yung parang somewhat pinkish tone. And as you can see, dun sa pink tone na mixture ko, dinagdagan ko siya nung konti nung ash blonde para medyo maging dusty rose yung effect. Alright, we're all set. Again, yung first mixture sa roots lang and sa upper half ng buhok ko. You know the drill na naman guys sa pagkukulay. You should have used a brush pero carry na tong kamay-kamay lang. And again, our pink mixture siyang ilalagay natin sa ends of our hair and sa remaining half. Guys, take note dun sa separation ng dalawang hair color. Make sure to blend it well para hindi harsh yung pagkakahati ng dalawang kulay. So, parang umi-effect na siya. Let's leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes. This is what it looks like after rinsing. So, basa pa yung buhok ko dyan. And this is what it looks like after drying my hair.